Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to spruce up your Wix website and make it really stand out, adding a banner is one of the simplest, most eye-catching ways to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize a banner on your Wix site, making your homepage, or any page, look more professional, more engaging, and more uniquely yours. Don't worry if you're new to Wix or to web design in general. I'll walk you through each part step by step and share a few tips along the way. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Wix editor and head over to the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the little plus sign. It's labeled Add Elements. This is your toolbox for all the cool features you can bring into your site, from text and images to buttons, and, of course, banners. Click on Add Elements. Take a moment here to explore the panel, just so you're familiar with what's available. You might even spot other features you'll want to try out later. But for now, let's focus on banners. Next, you'll need to find the banner options. There's a search bar at the top of this Add Elements panel, which is super helpful. Just type banner into the search bar and press Enter. Wix will instantly filter and show you all the banner templates and styles available. Depending on what you see, you might find horizontal banners, hero images, announcement banners. There's a nice selection, so take your time browsing through. Think about what kind of message or mood you want to convey with your banner. Maybe you need something bold for a sale, or something subtle for a welcome greeting. Once you've found a banner design that fits your vibe and your site's personality, click on it to add it to your page. It'll pop into position, and from here, it's totally customizable. Don't worry if the banner doesn't land exactly where you want it right away. You can easily drag it around and place it exactly where you need. If you're thinking of a homepage hero image, aim for the top of your page. For announcements, you might choose a smaller bar across the bottom or middle. Now, let's make this banner uniquely yours. Most banner templates allow you to add images, and this is really where you can showcase your brand or highlight something special. Click on the banner and look for the option to change image or add image. If you already have your own graphics, like a logo, promo image, or even a photo, upload it here. Otherwise, Wix offers a variety of stock images you can use to get started, so take a little time to browse or experiment. When you add your chosen image, notice how it changes the feel of your site. This step might take a moment, especially if you're uploading a high-quality file, so be patient. After your image is in place, it's time to customize. You're not stuck with the template's default settings. You can adjust the size, crop the image, tweak the colors, and update the text if your banner has a message on it. Try matching the banner's fonts and color scheme to the rest of your site so everything feels consistent, and don't hesitate to play around with the padding, borders, and even some subtle animation options if you want your banner to really pop. If something doesn't look right, just undo and try again. Wix makes it friendly for experimenting. Once you've personalized your banner, sit back and preview your site to see how it all comes together. This simple change can make a huge difference in how your website looks and feels. It's like hanging a welcome sign on your front door. And that's it. You've just added and customized a banner on your Wix website. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want advice on more advanced banner tricks, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.